Hi, my name is Saad Ibrahim. I'm the president of Petro Management Group, a consulting company in Calgary. Just to give you some background, I started my career working for the majors as a petroleum / reservoir engineers, and after 15 years working for companies like Amoco, BP, Husky, Canadian Occidental, I established Petro Management Group in Calgary around 1994. So we've been around for nearly 21 years. Our mission is your success is our success. We ensure we give you the best product, the best engineering support to ensure your success. That will reflect on us as well. Through our services, we bring new technology, training to our clients. Also, we try to keep the costs of the project within the budget. That's very important. And also, we provide an excellent support to the client to ensure continuous communication so the final product will not be of any surprise. With our services for 21 years in the industry, we have repeat clients, and also the word of mouth has created many new clients for us in North America and internationally. As I mentioned, we've been around for nearly 21 years. We have a fully integrated multidisciplinary team to be able to conduct a fully integrated reservoir studies. We offer services starting from seismic interpretations, petrophysical, geomodeling, and obviously preparing the reservoir static dynamic modeling and preparing a full development plan for the clients. One of our niche in the company since the start has been performing PTA, well test analysis interpretations, and production analysis, or RTA. We have extensive international and local experience. We have worked pretty well around the world offering training and consulting services. Some of our key staff, myself as the president, Mike Carlson, he oversees all our reservoir studies. Hassan Kusadi is the project coordinator. We have also Dr. Nick. He's a great specialist in enhanced oil recovery scheme with projects around the world, from water flood, steam flooding, chemical, miscible flooding, variety of many projects. John Marash is our new development and business coordinator. As you can see on the list, we have a long list of staff and associate staff that we hire them when we have a specialized project. These are some of the selected names, but if you add up the experience of all of those people, we have nearly a century or so of experience. Let's go through some of our staff. Hoshni Benu, master degree from Norway. She does all our reservoir engineering. Here's Mike Carlson, who supervises our reservoir studies. Graham Beloy, he looks after the geological studies, geoscience basically. Dr. Mike for the EOR, and our coordinator Hassan Kusadi. We are in association with variety of service companies in town. For instance, we have Frontier Project Management. They are specialists in sending people out in the field to supervise drilling and completion projects. We've been involved with Kappa for a long time, and some of the laboratory companies like Agate and Weatherford as well. This map shows the locations of our projects. So the blue stars are the companies where we did consulting services, and the red star is the countries where we did some training classes. So our service in general includes the fully integrated reservoir studies, EOR screening and project design like water flood and enhanced oil recovery, reservoir management to ensure the best value is obtained from your field. We also have a niche in multi-stage frac of horizontal wells, and we'll tell you more about it in terms of frac optimization, well spacing, prediction of a multi-stage frac wells. Well testing, planning, design, interpretation is also one of our specialties. Technical training. We perform lots of training in North America and internationally. We offer public classes and also in-house classes for your company if there is enough staff, and you take advantage of our major discount for in-house training. We also participated in some of the international conferences around the world. These are some pictures from our participation in Kazakhstan. They had an oil show, so we set up a booth and we had a good presence. We've talked to many companies, and as a result, we have some projects in Kazakhstan. And of course, in Calgary, we had our presentation in one of the shows in Calgary where we showed all our products, services to our clients here in Calgary and internationally. Our integrated reservoir studies includes the interpretation of seismic. Of course, we generate the maps from our geological team. We add up the petrophysical analysis. We incorporate all the static data like rock properties, fluid composition, reservoir drives, whether we have an aquifer or a gas cap. And from that, we prepare the static modeling and we upscale it to the dynamic modeling. On the dynamic modeling, we include data from well testing, pressure history matching, production logging tools, INSAR, GPS technology, and of course, the microseismic information when a frac is being done on the wells. Team effort is important. We don't want to be in this situation, so we have very good integration in our team to give you the best reservoir and engineering studies. These are all the components of the development plans, and we assist companies with building the master development plan, whether it's gas fields, oil fields, and we apply all the latest technology for that. For enhanced oil recovery, we help companies to increase reserves. Instead of just relying on primary production, we can move into water flooding or secondary, where we double the reserves, or even increase reserves into tertiary, like miscible flooding, steam injection, chemical flooding, where we achieve recovery factors very significant, reaching maybe 60 to 80%. Training, we teach what we practice, which is a very important statement, meaning we bring lots of our practical experience into our classes, which will benefit the most our course attendees. We bring numerous case studies, examples. We also offer class problems to give a chance for the attendees to have hands-on experience by trying to solve problems in the class, and we offer excellent course notes that has become by many attendees as a good future reference. We offer, as I mentioned, in-house and public training classes. We've offered a variety of Lunch and Learn to the Petroleum Society and Geological Society in Calgary, including some of the very interesting topics such as mini-frac or DFIT, the performance of a multi-stage frac of horizontal wells. This is a list of many of our training courses that we've been offering nearly for 20 years now, locally and internationally. And of course, we can customize some of these classes or add any classes that are not on this list. We receive sometimes delegations from overseas to visit Calgary and attend some training, and that shows a delegation from Petro, China, that was in Calgary a while ago. We've done classes internationally for places like India, and this picture is from Kish Island in Iran, actually. We've done some classes. This is a class by Frontier Knowledge that was done in India as well. In terms of software, we have some of the most reputable and industry accepted software, such as Eclipse, Petro, OFM by Schlumberger. We utilize IMAX, STARS by CMG, and we have Select EOR for screening for enhanced oil recovery projects. The software is by AITF here in Calgary. And as you can see, the list goes on. We have the CAPA, the FICAT software as well. So that's a list of some of the CAPA software. Petro Management was the agent, the technical support for CAPA for about 4 years until 2014. After that, CAPA had their own office, their own CAPA Canada, but we still have very close cooperation with CAPA. It's one of the most successful software company in the world, stationed in France. This is some selected view from projects that we've done for reservoir integrated studies. These are some of the projects we've done for one of the largest offshore company, IOOC, Iranian offshore oil company, the Nusrat project, EOR screening for 50 oil fields, and the Benalud, which is a relatively heavier crude, so we've done the development plan for them. The Nusrat project, part of it was in Iran, part in United Arab Emirates. One of the interesting issue was to figure out the oil migration between the two parts of the field. The Benalud, as I mentioned, it's nearly 2 billion barrel in place, fairly large field, and the objective of the study is to prepare a development plan, including enhanced oil recovery, most likely chemical flooding. The EOR screening of 50 oil fields in Iran for the IOC was a major project where we went through screening for the 50 oil fields, and also our role was to visit the local laboratories in Iran to see if they are capable of performing some of the EOR laboratory work. And we've sent our representative to Iran to visit all the laboratories. It was Dr. Brijmani from the University of Calgary, and we made our recommendation with that respect. But most of the screening was done with our team to come up with the optimum screen for the EOR project for a variety of different fields. I had a chance also to travel to China. I was invited by one of the service companies who was starting horizontal well multi-stage fracking, where I've done some training and some consulting with respect to the optimum frac design. Multi-stage frac has been a major activity for us. We've done several projects to optimize the multi-stage frac, such as optimizing the number of stages, spacing of stages, the size of the frac, how to take advantage of the sweet spots along the horizontal well to place the frac stages. We've done projects in North America and internationally in South America. We've done also a major project on oil shale project for one of the Canadian company operating over there. We come up with the best frac design that will give the optimum economic value. The software that we use, we can either use Eclipse, but our client seems to like the product by CAPA, where it's fast, quick, much cheaper to run, and produce very good results. You can see in this slide, we show the pressure profile for a multi-stage frac for an open hole completion. We have case hole completion, and a variety of different applications. We've done projects, other projects around the world, beside Iran and Canada, US, France, and the CIS countries as well. Basically, when you work with us, you will get the best product in terms of quality, immediate response, good support, and timely delivery of product. We work hard, and we play hard. Every year, we invite our clients to our annual barbecue, where we have band playing and lots of good food. So thank you for listening to our presentation, and I hope you'll be in touch. We'll be glad to hear from you and work with you on any of your projects. Here are our contact information. Thank you again.